business at the Bounty about 2 years now, only about 1.5 years into my apprenticeship. Worked here 6 months before gaining the apprenticeship. I've been cooking previously at a couple of other cafes and restaurants in town, but yeah, didn't get a ticket, so this is my opportunity to get qualified. I think to be able to achieve something at the end of all my training, and the kitchen is my happy place. I'm very happy there. So it's a lot easier for me to do on-the-job training here with my head chef and have the ETC assessor come and evaluate me here than me leave, go off-site for a day, 8 hours each week. I'm losing time here with my head chef. I'm still getting the training here with my head chef, but if I was to go to TAFE, things just necessarily wouldn't work out for me personally, and that's why I with the ETC Yes Chef program. It was tough. The other two chefs that I was competing against were very talented chefs. With my luck, I managed to come away with the win. So yeah, because we're used to hanging in the back of the kitchen, no one sees us and stuff like that. But these competitions with ETC and doing the apprenticeship through ETC, able to showcase public and general people what we can do and what we can achieve still as apprentices, not as qualified chefs yet, but it shows our skills and what we can do. A little nervous, but I think those nerves are a good thing. If I wasn't nervous, it means I'm complacent, and I don't want to be complacent. I want to use those nerves to my advantage, and yeah, very excited though to see what these other boys are going to plate up and see what my competition's like.